Yes, this is Niranjan. Welcome to Official Language Channel. Uh, last class, good morning, my dear students. Last class already I told you about the sounds of English, how the sounds are very important while learning the language. Pronunciation is very important as according to your prescribed syllabus for the first degree semester students. Now, I will continue the same question, the sounds of English question. This is very important for an examination point of view. Please try to pay attention in this class. So the English language 26 letters are there, 44 sounds are there. Each letter does not stand its own sound. It variations we find. So here 44 sounds are there in English language, but we can't find in any other languages. This is a variation we find in English language. So here we find among the 26 letters, 5 letters are there. A, E, I, O, U. As you know that. After that 21 consonant letters are there. That is B, C, okay, D, likewise up to Z. These are consonants. 21 letters are there. And also we find that 5 letters, whatever the vowels, we find 5 letters. That means 5 letters have 20 vowel sounds are there. 20 vowel sounds. Okay, these 5 vowels produces 20 vowel sounds are there. So after that 21 consonants we find, among the 26 letters we find 21 consonants are there. These 21 consonants produces a 24 sounds. We find 24 sounds. So altogether we find here 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds, that equal to 44. Okay, so 44 sounds we find in English language. So that we have to follow each and every English speaker. Yes. So this is what I am saying in this one. Now see vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. Here whatever is given here, just I will show you here. 1 minute. Yes. Here this one you see, that is I written and 2 dots are given here. Okay, I written, 2 dots are given. This is called, it's a symbol. It's a symbol. It is not a letter. That is why we have to produce the sound or pronounce the sound E. Okay, E. So we find here English letter, that is sheep. Sheep. Okay, the first symbol, that is phonetic symbol E. Yes. Okay, next one. So here this one, here we find this is dragging. So this in this symbol we are dragging, the symbol dragging. When you find these 2 dots, when you find here 2 dots, that is dragging. We have to drag E, sheep. And next coming symbol, that is phonetic symbol E. So cutting E. Okay, cutting E, that is E, ship. English spelling ship. Okay, I hope that you understand. This one you see U. Okay, this is a symbol, phonetic symbol, but not a letter in English. This is not at all letter. It is a symbol according to phonetics alphabet. That is what we can say, phonetic IPA. Okay, International Phonetics Alphabet Association has given these symbols. We have to produce or pronounce the exact sound. Okay, so this one is U. That means U is pronounced as U. Book. Book. I bought a book. I bought a book. Yes. This one, ooh. So when we find here these two dots, that's why we have to drag the symbol ooh, shoot. That is shoot. Okay. Next one. Yes, this one, coming to vowels. We are discussing here vowels. Yes, this one, E. Actually the letter is E, but the symbol, it's not a letter, it is a symbol, that is E. E given. So this one E, its the pronunciation is A. Pronunciation is A. Left, left, A. Left. Pin, pin. So it's not a pen, pen. Left. So this, like, we have to pronounce this one A. Okay, E is pronounced A. Pen, A. Pen. Okay. Left. So this one, and E is written reverse. E is written reverse symbol, that is teacher. Teacher. Okay. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Teacher. So here E, the pronunciation E, teacher. So next, this symbol is a vowel. You see, just like it is written 3, like 1, 2, 3, just written 3, and 2 dots given, that is dragging. We have to drag the sound. Her, I met her. Her, I met her. Her. So here the pronunciation is her. Next one, this one, you see, C is written reverse and 2 dots given, that is da. Da. Upon the da. Upon the da. Close the da. So the sound produces da. Pronunciation da. So next one. This one, you see, yeah. So hat. Cha. Yeah is only a pronunciation a little bit, because it is very difficult to exact pronunciation in our Telugu language, because this somewhat cold countries we find in foreign countries, their pronunciation is entirely different than the other countries we find. So here, yeah, hat. Okay, this one, the symbol is, we find here, that is A. Okay, this one A. Up, cup, up, cup. Okay, right. Next one, this we find so A is a symbol written and 2 dots are given, that is father, mother, father. So that is father. Father. Right? Are you following? Yes. Next one, this A is written reverse side. On. This one, on. So these are the vowel sounds we find here. Okay. Next, after that, how many vowels we discussed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 vowel sounds we discussed here. Next, coming to the diphthongs. What is a diphthong? Diphthong is nothing but combination of 2 vowel sounds. Diphthong is nothing but combination of 2 vowel sounds. Okay. So if 2 vowels are there, the combination of 2 vowel sounds are called diphthongs. Before going to discuss diphthongs, let me discuss a brief nutshell about vowels. Vowel is nothing but, in what we can say in Telugu, achulu. Okay, when the air passes through our vocal cords or through our lungs without any obstruction is called vowels. Please try to understand. The air passes through our vocal cords. The air passes through our vocal cords without any obstruction, without any narrowing, without any, what we can say, obstruction or any closedness we can't find. The air passes through freely through our vocal cords, that is called vowels. This is very important point which try to understand. For example, I will tell you a. So when you pronounce a little bit air passes through our mouth. Just for absorb a. So when you pronounce a little bit, air, a little bit of air passes through our mouth. Okay, e. When we pronounce e, a little bit air, a puff of air, comes out of our mouth. E, I. When you pronounce I, a little bit puff of air comes out of our mouth, our vocal cords, our lungs. Okay, A, E, I, O. Yes, air passes. A, E, I, O, U. O, U. When you pronounce U, O, so air passes. Okay, this is the exact answer. We find the vowels, exact vowels, in the sense the air passes through our vocal cords or our lungs without any obstruction is called vowels. And at the same time, we can't find any vibrations while pronouncing these vowels. For example, you put your hand on your neck, back side of neck. A, I, O, U. You can't find any vibration. Just put your hand back side of your neck and pronounce A, E, I, O, U. Yes, we can't find any vibrations. That's why these are the vowels. That means these are the vowels. Please try to understand. Okay. And also we can't find any obstructions. Our lips also can't close. See, A, E, I, O, U. Our lips without any obstruction or closeness we can't find while pronouncing these vowel sounds. Coming to the diphthongs nothing but the combination of two vowel sounds. See, let us discuss. Let us discuss. Yes. So here the symbol I, E is reverse written. E is reverse written. That is a symbol, it's not a letter. Please try to understand. These are the phonetic symbols. Here, he, yeah. That means I is E, yeah, yeah. So the pronunciation, it is exactly, we can't say that, yeah. So here, I met here, I came here. So next one, E written, I written. Symbols, not, please try to understand, these are the symbols. Okay, E, I. So here the pronunciation A. Okay, way, A. The pronunciation is A, wait. Okay, likewise. Next, oo. Already I told you the vowel sound oo. E is written reverse side. Okay, tourist, uwa. Tourist, tourist. Likewise, pronunciation. Next, C is written reverse side and I symbol written. Okay, I. This pronunciation is I. Right, second letter A, E, I. Coin. Okay, coin. Okay, oil, coin. Likewise, pronunciation you can pronounce. Next is show. Okay, O. Likewise, this pronunciation show. Okay. Next, here. E is written. E is written reverse side. Hair. Okay. A and I. I like. I, A and I, pronunciation is I, like, I, like. Mouth, O, mouth is, the pronunciation is O, O. So, there is a lot of, we can say in Telugu language and in English language, a pronunciation is somewhat very difficult exactly, we cannot say that. Mouth, this is only the practice is very important while learning pronunciation. Mouth, okay. And next, coming to the consonant sounds, of course, if it is possible, I would like to tell you a bit, I would like to give a material which the sounds are in, Telugu language somewhat. Of course, it is not exactly correct, but I will try my level best to give a material that are in Telugu, which the sounds are, the sounds. Okay, consonants. How many consonant sounds are there? 24 consonants are there. Okay, that are consonants in the sense which are not vowels. Yes. P, or pronunciation is P. Okay. Sheep, but P is written. The sound is P. Okay, but here letter sheep. Okay, B. So B. It's not B. Bird. After that, T. Tree. Simple. T, the symbol. It's not a letter. Symbol. Tree. Okay. So, but exact in the pronunciation T. So, T. Our pronunciation is T, but tree. D. That's dog. Okay. T written. S is somewhat like it's a dragging like something. T is written ch. So cheese, chair, likewise chair, cheese. Okay. D written after the 3, 3, but it's not 3, it is a symbol, pronunciation symbol. Please try to understand. Okay. Joke, this is called J. This is the pronunciation is J. Joke. K, coin. Okay. K, g, go. Okay. G, G, start on the G, pronunciation is G. F, okay. Free, pronunciation is F. Free. V, V, pronunciation is V. Consonants now, we are discussing consonants. V, video. Okay. T, round 0. In the middle of the 0, line is there. Thing, T. So the pronunciation is T. Thing. Okay. Thing. Okay. Next. D. So here 9 is reverse. 9 letter is written reverse, and there is one slant. This. D. The pronunciation is D. This. Yes. Written. The symbol is written. Yes. C. C. Okay. Z symbol written. Zoo. Pronunciation is Z. Zoo. Sheep. Sh. The pronunciation is S is dragon like something, and it is a symbol. Pronunciation is sh. Sha. Sh. Okay. Sheep. Okay. And 3 written. Numbers 3 written. That is ja. That is ja. Pronunciation is ja. Television. Ja. Television. Okay. Ja. Television. Okay. This is next one. M. So pronunciation is M. Mouse. N means N. Now. Okay. N is somewhat written down. N is written somewhat written. It is a symbol. That's pronunciation is ng. Thing. That is the pronunciation ing. Tarata H pronunciation is hope. L pronunciation is l. Love. R pronunciation is run. R pronunciation is r. So this letter is called flapper. R. So W. Letter is V. And J pronunciation is J. The symbol is J, but it is not a letter. Please try to understand. The symbol J pronunciation is U. Pronunciation is U. Okay, YOU. These are the 24 sounds we discuss. So the best thing is to practice. Once if you practice, definitely your pronunciation will be optimum level. So in order to get the exact pronunciation, it is better to listen the sounds. It is better to listen the sounds. Okay, for practice, say aloud first sounds. First of all, when you have the rhymes, okay, it is better to practice the rhymes aloud, and then the word given as example. Your teacher will help you to practice the sound that you are not familiar with one. Okay, this is the written here. Note how the sounds appear in different positions in words, the beginning, middle, and end of the words. Read them as many times as you can and practice saying something vowels. So here now I will read just once again. For this material is also useful when the examination point of view, you can write like this. Vowels are sounds produced with an open vocal cord. Already I told you, just I am reading. In producing vocal sounds, there is no closure or narrowing at any point in the oral cavity. Thus, vowel sounds are produced when the air from the lungs comes out in a continuous stream and the vocal cords vibrate to produce voice. The production of different vowels in English depends fully on the degree of raising of the tongue without causing friction or closure, on the part of the tongue that is raised, and on whether the lips are kept spread, open, or rounded. In English, there are 12 pure vowel sounds. These sounds are listed below using the symbols of the International Phonetic Alphabet. So, in the next coming class also this the sounds of English class will be continued. Until that, you please watch this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe and tap the bell icon button to get the latest notifications. Thank you very much, and please give some encouragement. Thank you very much.